Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is me Utsav. So in today's video, I'm going to review Maybelline Superstay foundation, which claims to be full coverage foundation, and also Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Both of these products have a lot of positive reviews, so I have never tried both of these products, so I'm really interested to try these products and give my honest review. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, I am applying good amount of moisturizer all over my face and my neck. I am using this Nivea cream, which you guys know I love. I really love this moisturizer because it helps my foundation to glide on my skin so effortlessly. So I'm using this Nivea cream. When it comes to my own face, I like to apply moisturizer with my hands because it does melt down moisturizer really nicely on my skin. But on someone else's face, I like to use a brush to apply moisturizer because it's more sanitary. I don't want to use my hands to apply any kind of product on someone else's face, so I like to use a brush on someone else's face, but on my own face I like to use my own hands. Now I am applying this L'Oreal Infallible primer, which is amazing. I really love this primer. I got this primer for free with L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and this primer fills in all my pores and makes my skin look really smooth. So I really love this primer. And now I am applying this Technique Cosmetics Vitamin C primer, which is really great. I use this primer on daily basis. This primer gives such a nice glow. So if you are someone who loves really glowy and dewy finish, then you will love this primer. I apply this primer on daily basis. Even if I'm not applying foundation, I apply this primer on top of my sunscreen and my skin looks so stunning. And after applying primer, now it's time to apply some color corrector. I am applying this peachy color corrector under my eyes, around my beard area, around my temples. And less is more, so I am applying really less amount of color corrector, and after blending it perfectly on my skin, I am setting it with the help of a transparent powder. I am using this transparent powder from Technique Cosmetics, and I am applying this powder in a tapping motion to make sure that the color corrector is locked in a place. I don't want my foundation to look peachy, so I'm making sure that the color corrector is locked in a place. And finally, it's time to play with this foundation. I'm really excited to try this foundation. I'm using this Maybelline Superstay foundation in shade Sun Beige. As you guys can see, I haven't opened this, the seal is still on. So I'm really excited, and thank God that there is a pump, because Maybelline Fit Me foundation doesn't have a pump and it gets really messy when I try to take out the foundation. So I'm really happy that there's a pump, and it says that it's full coverage, so I don't think I will need that much foundation. So let's try to work with 2 pump, and if I will feel that I need extra coverage, then I will try to build it up. So first I am applying this foundation with the help of a angled brush. It's a dense angled brush, and I'm applying it on just half, one side of my face, because I want to see the difference. And as you guys can see, it covered half of my face pretty quick. I am so impressed with this foundation. As you guys can clearly see, I'm not even lying, you can clearly see it covered half of my face, very quick, and it gives really good amount of coverage. It gives full coverage. So I'm really impressed with this foundation. And the best thing about this foundation is not that dry matte. It gives more like a satin finish. It's not like Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation or MAC Studio Fix. It gives very satin finish. It feels extremely comfortable on skin, and it didn't make my pores look really crazy. So that is amazing. But I'm not gonna lie, this is not the most full coverage foundation I have ever seen or I have ever used. It gives more than medium and less than full coverage. It gives kind of full coverage but not that full coverage. So if you want that crazy full coverage, then apply 2 layer and it will be enough. It will literally hide anything. And this is the first time since I started doing makeup that my foundation brush didn't absorb this foundation. This foundation like sits on top of your foundation brush, and that means that more product will be on your face than brush, which is great. This foundation is amazing. I literally have nothing to complain about except that it's not that full coverage. It is kind of full coverage but not that full coverage. You need to apply 2 layer to get that like crazy full coverage, so it's not that full coverage. Otherwise everything about this foundation is amazing. I give this foundation like 10 out of 10. It's amazing. And it's time to open up this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. The seal is still on, as you guys can see, because I wanted to give my very honest reaction and very honest first impression on camera, because I don't like faking stuff. I like to be very honest, and I already hate the packaging because you literally have to twist this concealer, like you have to like twist the packaging for literally like 10 minutes to take out the concealer. So I already hate the packaging. I give 0 out of 10 for packaging, but the most important thing is the product inside of it. So let's try that first. And I also hate the like applicator because it feels really weird on skin. It doesn't feel right, to be honest. And I'm applying concealer under my eyes, around my beard area, below my cheekbone, on center part of my forehead, and I'm trying to blend it out with the help of a damn beauty blender. And this concealer blends out like a dream. It blends so easily and so effortlessly, and it gives like really dewy finish. It feels great on skin. After you will apply this concealer on your skin will feel hydrated. So I really love this concealer. And I think this concealer will literally work on any skin type. So if you are looking for a really hydrating concealer which feels extremely comfortable, then this concealer is for you. This gives more than medium coverage and less than full coverage, but it hides like everything. So if you want that full coverage, apply 2 layer, it will be enough. And same with foundation. So if I have to rate both of these products, I will give 9.5 out of 10 to foundation, and to concealer I will give 8 out of 10 because I hate the packaging of the concealer, but the inside product is amazing. And you guys can see the difference by yourself. It's crazy. So if you want to buy these products, then I have mentioned everything like price and like store that you can get these products from in my description. I will also try to put the link in my description so that it will be easy for you guys. And I did rest of the makeup off camera, and that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did enjoy this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down something, share with your friends, and thank you for watching, guys.